This year's ISSA Show North America brought a lot of creative and innovative new products to the show floor. With 16,000 people here in attendance, we want to give you a quick glance at what you can see.
Oh my goodness, there is so much excitement going on here.
The ISSA Show is the best thing ever.
This is a great show. It's just amazing to see every year new and exciting technologies that are coming out.
And cleaning companies are saying there are so many opportunities to be innovative and make what they're doing more efficient.
It's really busy in the Charities booth. People asking about Cleaning for a Reason, the Hygiea Network.
And if you didn't get the chance to see everything on Tuesday, you still have all day Wednesday and Thursday until the afternoon to walk around the show floor. To find out more information, all you have to do is go to issa.com/show. For ISSA TV, I'm Sarah Strackhouse.